Hi there, U.S. government students. Mr. Kerr here, and we are going to pretty much wrap up, definitely for the seniors and pretty much for the other everyone else as well, as we talk about week 16 and 17. So, of course, we're split seniors. Just the important date to remember is this Friday. May 10th is the last day for seniors to work in this class, so you'll need to have everything turned in, and we have your compacted schedule here for this week, starting Monday, May 6th, and then ending on the 10th. For the non-seniors, you have a little bit extra time. You'll have the extra week through the 17th to get the Unit 3 final. Let me talk to the seniors first here. So seniors, Monday, May 6th, please complete the point paragraph discussion board. That's your post, that's the introductory paragraph, and your replies to your classmates on Monday. And then on Tuesday, you'll complete the three evidence paragraphs discussion board. That's the three pieces of evidence that you choose, and replies to your classmates. So we're going to be helping each other out on this Unit 3 final point paragraph. That's your introductory paragraph, and then your three evidence paragraphs. Continue the editing process on Wednesday using feedback from your classmates. You should have the second discussion board, the three evidence paragraphs. Make sure those are all, you've done your replies, and then I'm going to suggest that you try to get your essay, has the introduction, the three evidence paragraphs, and the strong conclusion. Get that all turned in by Thursday, just to have a little buffer zone, and of course any other work that you need to have completed and turned in by 5 o'clock on Friday. If there are any concerns at all about getting everything done by 5 o'clock on Friday, please let me know as soon as possible. Don't wait. And so then for the non-seniors, regular schedule, you're finishing up week 16 on Monday. Starting on Tuesday, the week 16 and 17 Unit 3 final assessment will open up, and you should have your point paragraph posted by Thursday, replies by Friday, and then by Monday you're working on your evidence paragraphs. You'll need the three evidence paragraphs posted by Tuesday, and then do replies, and then your Unit 3 final edited, and the final version will be due on Friday the 17th. So you'll have a little bit extended time to work on that. All right, let me know if anyone has any questions, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.